By the end of this video, you will know how to set up contact groups in Xero. Start from the top menu in Xero and click Contacts. From the drop-down, select All Contacts. This opens the main contacts page where you can view the full list of people and businesses already saved in your account. If you are not already on that page, this is the place to begin, since both group creation and contact selection are managed from here. Once the contacts page is open, go to the Groups option, click it to open the menu, then choose either Manage Groups or New Group. Both options lead you into the area where contact groups are handled. If you already see the option to create a new group directly, you can use that. If not, opening Manage Groups will take you to the same part of Xero where you can continue. From there, click New Group. Xero will prompt you to enter a name for the contact group. Type the name you want to use, making sure it clearly identifies the purpose of the group so it is easy to find later in the groups list. After entering the name, click Create. At this point, the new contact group exists, but it does not yet contain any contacts. Next, return to the contacts list. You can do this by going back to All Contacts if needed. In the list, tick the checkboxes beside each contact you want to include in the group. Take a moment here to confirm you are selecting the correct contacts, especially if you have entries with similar names. After making your selections, click Add to Group. Xero will show the available groups, including the one you just created. Select that new group to assign the chosen contacts to it. Once the contacts have been added, the final step is to verify that the group contains the right entries. Open the Groups menu again and select the contact group you created. This will display the contacts currently assigned to that group. Review the list and confirm that the contacts you selected appear there. If the list matches what you intended, then the setup is complete. This process is useful when you want to organize contacts in a way that makes them easier to manage inside Xero. Creating the group first, then returning to select contacts from the main list keeps the workflow clear and avoids assigning contacts before the group is ready. The verification step also gives you a quick check that the group was created properly and that the selected contacts were added to the correct place. Your contact group in Xero is now created and includes the selected contacts.